everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a new video for you, a new set of nails. I will be using my new 4D missubeauty gel. It's the sculpting collection and it is the clear one. So I will be doing a brand new set of nails with that gel. These are the nails that I'll be using. They are press-on nails from Ajubis. They are clear ones and they are in stiletto shape. So what I'm going to do, rather than using them as press-on nails, I will be using them as tips like I did a couple of weeks ago, but with the ballerina style ones. So these are the stiletto ones. And then the gel polish that I'm going to be using, if you follow me on Instagram then you will have seen this. It is the colour Miss Sweet. There it is. It's in 05 Miss Sweet and it's a yellow that I received from missubeauty and I've been dying to use it. So I did like a little short video on Instagram yesterday just so that you could actually see it, but I will be showing you what it looks like on my nails. And since I'm going with the yellow theme, I thought I would try out some yellow glitter on my feature nail. So I haven't quite decided, but I do have a large selection of glitters that I will be choosing from. So I have to make a apology to my niece as well. I did tell her that I would be doing Guy Diamond nails because she loves Guy Diamond and she's been dying for me to do Guy Diamond nails for a while. However, I have a new colour that I want to go with, yellow, and Guy Diamond is silver and glittery. So that will be next week. So I do apologise, Georgie. So I shall get started. The brush that I will be using is my missubeauty gel brush, and yeah, I shall get started. So I've shortened that myself to the length that I want it because it was a little bit long. I've reshaped it but not too much because obviously it's already in shape, which is why I chose these tips in the first place. So I'm going to do that on the rest of my nails and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my missubeauty base coat, which I will cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So I've got my 4D sculpting gel ready and I will be picking up my beads with my cuticle, the other end of my cuticle tool. I've got my gel residue cleansing solution just here in a little my little dish with my cuticle tool. Just pick up a bead, quite a large bead because I've got long nails, and I will place it on my nail If I think I need any more, I can always go back in, just go back in there and just pop a little bit just at the top. And then with my brush, I'm just gonna pat it into my gel residue solution and just work the gel. So it can get a little bit sticky. If it does, just a tiny little bit of gel residue remover and go back to your gel and just work it like that. What I love about this is the fact that it just stays put until I am ready to work with it. So I've got a little bit too much there, so I'm just gonna get that off. Okay, so I'm just going to cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and then I will carry on with the rest. So I have filed and buffed my nails, and now I am just applying my first coat of my gel polish from missubeauty. Absolutely adore this colour. So I then cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and then I go in for a second coat. So now I'm just going in with my second coat of this gel polish, which I cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And then what I do on my ring finger, rather than me actually just using a glitter, what I did is I used a gel polish from Candy Coat, and it's a glittery gel polish. It's a little bit easier to pop on my nails. And I cured that in my LED lamp. And then before I applied top coat, what I did is I removed all of the gel residue or the tacky layer from my nails and went in with some stamping nail art. So I'm just applying the glitter here. The stamping plates that I used were from Ejubus, and it was just a black nail varnish that I used. I wanted to create like a sunflower look because these nails are a little bit like sunflower colours, which I love, and I just think I'm really trying to bring on the summer and the spring and the sunshine, so I went with flowers as my theme and I absolutely love them. They're so cute. So I just apply the flowers to each of my nails and then I go in with a top coat, which I cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So here are my nails all finished. I have applied my cuticle oil to my cuticles and I shall pop some pictures on at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a massive thumbs up and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. So all the items that I used in this video today will be in the description box below with links and all discount codes that you can use. So thank you again so much and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.